If you are looking for a great low calorie, high fiber snack, I have found the perfect recipe for you. What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing great. It is Ryan from No Limits Fitness Coaching, and like I said, I've got a great low calorie snack for all of you to enjoy. It's a great recipe. I just discovered this thing. My wife and I have been eating these things like crazy, so let me show you how to make the best low calorie blueberry muffin that hits all the right spots. It doesn't taste like a diet food at all, and the macros are insane. Anybody can fit these things into your diet. Let me show you guys how to make this thing. Man, this thing looks so amazing, and it's super easy. Now, there are a few steps you might have noticed, and to do it right, you really want to make sure that you're whipping, you know, whip the eggs up really good. It'll give you that good consistency that you want out of a blueberry muffin. But honestly, here's the final product. I want to make sure we have this thing kind of in focus. These things are so good. I'm telling you, I'm going to take a bite and let you guys kind of see the inside a little bit. Look at this. That is so good. It's tasty. It's moist, which I know all you guys love that word out there, so yeah. But that's what you want out of your baked goods, isn't it? It's exactly what these things are. So good. The awesome thing, each one of these, now this isn't that big, but it's about 100 calories. I'm going to throw the macros right up on the screen, show you all the protein, the fiber. That's what's awesome. These things are great in fiber, decent on protein, and just low calorie snack. I mean, you could do five or six of these things, have, you know, a decent meal, and they would taste super, super good. All of you, make sure you try these. They're really, really easy to make. It only takes like 40 minutes, and that's with 35 minutes of cooking. So you throw them in the oven, you let it go for about 30 minutes, and these things are just perfect. I do a batch of them and then throw them in the refrigerator, and they're a great snack for later on. So hope you guys enjoy them. Let me know in the comments if you tried them out, what you thought of them, and then also what your favorite snack is that you would love to, you wish that there was a healthier option for that snack. Maybe I'll try to hook you guys up and figure a way out to do the healthy way of that snack. So let me know what your guilty pleasure is, what your favorite food or cheat food is. I will see you guys next time.